Are you reading closely and looking? Let's go to the question and read it. Which list shows these days in order from least to greatest? Let's read the details. The table shows the attendance to the play Sleeping Beauty. Let's circle some clues in the question. Oops. The question says, which list shows these days in order and then least to greatest? Least means small, and greatest means big. So we need to put these numbers that are in the table in order from smallest to biggest. Let's cross out the C, let's cross out the L for label, 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 and let's make our 3-step over here. Our main idea is going to be very short. It's going to say, what is the list from least to greatest? And our details, we can just circle this table and bring it down over here. That's where we're going to be making our strategy. So let's come over here, and every time you're going to put numbers in order, it doesn't matter if it's least to greatest or greatest to least, you're always going to start off in the biggest place value. What's the biggest place value? Not the ones, not the tens, not the hundreds, not the 1,000s, but the 10,000. So let's start in the 10,000s. And for this, it's really helpful if you grab like another sheet of paper to cover up the other place values. Well, what are we looking for? We're looking for the small number. But all of these numbers are the same. That's not going to help me, so let's cross them off. And then let's go to the next biggest place value. The next biggest place value is 1,000. What's smaller? 1, 1, 1, or 1. Well, they're all the same. Let's cross them out, because that's not going to help me. Let's go to the hundreds. Which one is the smallest one? Oh, it's 0. That's Monday. So in my 3-step, I'm going to write down that Monday is the smallest day. That is my number 1 smallest day, so I'm going to label that with a number 1 right next to it. And then I'm going to cross it out, because I don't want to look at that number anymore. And now I'm going to look at the rest of the numbers. I'm going to go back to the hundreds place. I'm going to ignore this number because I already know it's the number 1 smallest number. Now I'm going to look for the smallest number in the hundreds place again. Well, the 8s are all the same, so let's cross them out. Let's go to the 10s. Which one is the smallest number here? Well, the smallest one is 2, so that is my number 2 smallest number. And that day is Saturday. So let's cross it off so we can ignore it now. And let's go ahead and write Saturday next on our list. So now that leaves Sunday and Tuesday. Let's go back to that place value. Let's go to the 10s. Now in the 10s place, 3 is smaller than 8. So let's circle that and cross it off, because that is my number 3 smallest number. And if that's the 3rd smallest number, then that means that Sunday is my biggest number. So I'm going to write number 4. So that was Monday was my number 1, Saturday was my number 2, Tuesday is my number 3, so that needs to go next. And then my number 4 is Sunday. So I need to match my list with their list. Let's see, they have Saturday first? Nope, I have Monday. Oh, this does have Monday, this does have Monday. This has Sunday. No, it's not Sunday. Let's go to B again. After Monday, our next day was Saturday. They got Sunday, so B is not right. That means C is our answer. Monday, check. Saturday, Tuesday, and Sunday.